Ikenga, let me say this. I'm not here. You mentioned that I'm from Bayelsa. Yes, I am from Bayelsa, but I'm also the leader of the Pan-Niger Delta Forum, which is the apex body of the people of the Niger Delta. And one of our main concerns is peace and stability in the region, like similar bodies such as Arewas or Ndigbo or Afenifere. And in that, under that platform, we've been working on the issue of peace. We are dispassionate. We have totally, we don't take side on this matter. Our interest is to see that peace returns to Rivers State. So the issue of you raising maybe a red flag from Bayelsa is a little bit surprising. Let me say also that when we started the peace process, there were very sharp views from people like you, political actors, very active in this matter with respect to anybody in, trying to take part or mediating in bringing peace. Issues come up all over Nigeria, and elder statesmen or organizations like these come in to mediate, to arbitrate, and to make peace. We have a committee of mediation, committee of what we call peace and reconciliation in Niger Delta, led by 7 very senior people, made up of 7 senior people, led by Obong Victor Atta, the former governor of state. And the rest there are 3 former governors and some very ranking politicians. And Mr. Ikenga, maybe to your knowledge, let me mention, they've achieved a lot of milestones. We've met with all the 2 sides and meetings are going on. We are hoping that by the end of the day, despite the judicial processes, we'll have an amicable solution that will please everybody. We all grew up in Port Harcourt, and Rivers State is very critical. We are the same people. We will always meet after the judgments of courts and all the court processes. And that's why PANDEF, as the leading body, is making this effort. So please don't feel uncomfortable. The other members include a former governor from Cross River State, a former governor from Bayelsa State, and from Edo State, from Cross River State, and so on. So this is the object of what we are doing. And what I said specifically was the fact that PANDEF was concerned because as a body of this nature, we received a lot of copious information. And we are happy that the governor said he will carry out every decision of the court, which is quite welcoming. And we join other voices to sue for peace. And we add our voices to call all sides to take it easy. For example, people like you, I think you should mellow down on some of your public utterances from groups like you, because by the end of the day, it should be a win-win for Rivers people. And I appeal to not only you, but to other people who are politically very active in this process.